This tutorial we will continue the modify section in SolidWorks sketch modeling, and we have commands such as offset and mirror. So in the offset we usually make parallel lines or concentric circle, or we can offset any sketch or geometry with a reference. So to use this offset command, let us go to sketch and select a plane as we usually do, and let me draw a line first. Take a line from this point to this point, make it a vertical. We can make vertical and click OK. Then select this offset entities from here, and it shows that add sketch entities by offsetting face, edge, curve or sketch entities. So I select offset. Now here are some options. We have to select parameter, then we have some more options: add dimension, reverse, select chain, bidirectional, etc. So we have to select the object. This is the line we have. Select this, and we can see the yellow colored line is the offset line at a distance of 10, and then click OK. And this is done. We have created the offset, and in the similar way we can create more offset. Let me move this dimension in the downward. Select this offset, then we can insert the different value of this offset distance. Suppose this time I make it 15, 1, 5, and then select the line. This is the line. So we have to select a different direction of this offset. So we can do this by selecting this reverse. Click on this reverse, or we can add dimension or don't. I don't want this dimension, so uncheck this. Or we can select a series of chain. We will cover it later. Then we have option for bidirectional. It will make symmetric offset. So let me click on OK from here. After that we can do the offset of a series of chain. I take line and draw a structure, an object we have created, and then OK. Now select offset entities, and we can see in this preview, because we have already selected these lines, so it is just showing the preview of this offset of this object. We can make some different value. Suppose I take this 5, press enter, and if I want this inside, we can reverse the direction. And another option we have is the bidirectional. If we want offset on both sides of the object, we can make this bidirectional. Here we can see with reference to the object, they are inside and outside offset, and then click OK. Similarly, we can offset circles to make concentric circles. Take the circle, these two circles we have drawn, and OK. Then offset entities, and here are settings for this. We can change the settings whichever we want and click OK. After that we have offset of arcs. We can create the arcs. So let me draw an arc from this end point. Draw some arbitrary arc of some random dimension, and OK. We are not worrying about dimension of this arc, and then select offset entities. So we have to select object. This is the object. We can make it bidirectional or not if we want. And one more option in this we have is the end caps. The end of this arcs is now open. So if I click on this end caps, and they will be closed. So that is the advantage of this end caps, and click OK. So this is the way we used to create the offset of objects.